move on to Queen Elizabeth Park, where on the 1st of May 1965, remember there's only 12 months since the closure of the system in Wellington, the group, now named the Wellington Tramway Museum Incorporated, they ran a tram on a very short section of track. In October 65, the remaining trams, as well as one that belonged to the Oregon Electric Railway Historical Society, they were transported to the park. Track lane and overhead constructions continued, and on Saturday, the 19th of December 1965, the first section, around 400 metres of tram line, was open. And that is what we're celebrating here today.
As said by President Russell Jenkins, the Wellington Tramway Museum is celebrating its 50th anniversary on the 19th of December 2015. Located in Queen Elizabeth Park, just north of Paikakariki, the museum runs a tram line stretching 2 kilometres to the beach at the southern end of the park. Today we are riding a double saloon tram, which was built in the early 1920s. The museum has 2 operating double saloons, which we travel on throughout the day, numbered 151 and 159. Approximately halfway through the westbound journey, we pass the eastbound tram through the small passing loop. The tram encounters a substantial gradient. The motorman eases the throttle and coasts up to crest the hill. Passengers are welcomed with a clear view of Kapiti Island. The tram then coasts down to the current terminus at the beach, approximately 10 minutes after leaving the depot. By this stage on this special day, 3 trams have accumulated at the terminus, leaving passengers time to stretch their legs and admire the view. The trams slowly trundle back up the hill on their way back to the eastern terminus. Double Saloon 159 draws into the platform, just behind Sister 151. Also operating today is Fiducia Tram 239. For many years, 239 was the backbone of the museum's operational fleet and is in normal public service. Interesting of note is the additional panelling on the body side and the brown stripe between the window panels and the body side. Only a certain number of FIDs, as they were nicknamed, had this. This was due to shortages in materials post-World War II. Here we see Fiducia 239 coasting down the steep grade eastbound towards the depot. The highlight for many during the afternoon was the unveiling of Fiducia Tram number 260. Having arrived at the park in the 60s, she ran up until the mid-80s, when she was withdrawn due to poor bodywork condition and placed into the workshop for overhaul. 260 became the main project for many volunteers, and countless hours of meticulous restoration has been completed. Emotions ran high as 260 was driven out of the workshop under its own power for the first time in 30 plus years. Although 260 isn't quite finished, as there is many cosmetic details to attend to, as well as brakes and other mechanical equipment, it is a true testament to the people and the volunteers of the Wellington Tramway Museum. If you would like more information on other trams or on the museum in general, you can like them on Facebook or check out their website. Both are listed below. And thank you very much for watching.